Hello and welcome to our channel guys. So today in this video we're gonna talking the 10 most relaxing destinations to visit around the world. How you define the word relaxing holiday? For some people, they define it as enjoying the heat of the sun, spending time with families and friends, lying back and forgetting the stressful life and work. For others, exploring and seeing new places and cultures, while others prefer to spend the holiday at home. If ever you decide to have a family vacation, city escape or a romantic holiday, so then this list will help you a lot more. So without any further delay, let's jump to number 1. In number 1 in our list here comes Maldives. For many, spending the holidays at the Maldives is most preferred. The Maldives has many to offer. Some of the hostels occupy their own islands and it has 26 natural atolls. The Maldives has clear water with perfect white sands that you can spend the whole day living like in a paradise. These describe the Maldives as a perfect place to unwind and spend your vacations with your loved ones. The resort spa is the best place in the Maldives to stay, especially if someone special is with you, for it has peace and relaxing atmosphere. If seeking for a little adventure, you may try the Indian Ocean Paradise, which offers diving, snorkeling, fishing and water sports. It also has fresh seafoods to offer. In number 2 in our list here comes Bali. If you want to hear and feel the beaches, taste delicious foods and explore great culture, take your bag and spend your vacation at Bali. Visit the incredible place of Nusa Dua and Ubud Inland, the artistic capital of Indonesian archipelago. With these two places, you can enjoy sunbathing on the beautiful beaches. You may also find some local markets exchanging and selling their handmade crafts and artworks. In number 3 in our list here comes Thailand. Thailand is the place that can give you peace of mind. From Bangkok to Koh Samui Island of Phuket and Koh Phi Phi, the wonderful beaches, delicious foods, amazing Buddhist temples, world-class spas, and brilliant shopping are the best that Thailand can offer. Spending our vacation in Thailand is perfect not only because of amazing places, but it has also worth every penny. In number 4 in our list here comes Antigua. This place is known as one of the lovely islands in the Caribbean. It is also a perfect place for relaxation. Antigua tickles a relaxed vibe for everyone, especially for couples who want to spend their holidays in this place. If you want to explore more from Antigua, we recommended you to visit St. John's, wherein you can find the colonial structure and scenic harbor and many sights to see. In number 5 in our list here comes Marbella. This recommended place has its wild side, but it is also good if you want to little downtime. Embracing the southerly shore of Spain, Marbella has beautiful harbors, bounteous greenery and sandy beaches, complete ingredients to any relaxing escape. Marbella has lots of tapas bars viewing the sea. It is not hard for you to look for fabulous food with a distinctly fabulous taste. In number 6 in our list here comes Dubai. With its towering skyscrapers, shopping malls on top and magnificent beaches, Dubai have everything that will satisfy your needs to relax. If you are planning to take a romantic holiday, don't hesitate to take your partner to one of the Dubai's luxury hotels because relaxation is guaranteed if you want to stay there. Most recommended is the Atlantis, the Palm, because they are offering a great level of service that others can't beat. They also offer some outdoor activities such as water parks, skiing and desert safaris, which will give you the best experience. In number 7 in our list here comes Algarve. If you desire to have a relaxation that's surrounded by the sea, sun and to see with your families, Algarve is recommended for you. You can spend your afternoon sunbathing or doing water activities on one of their beach covers. Algarve offers adventurous activities. It has many water sports and other adventurous activities to enjoy with family and friends. In number 8 in our list here comes Amsterdam. Amsterdam has the coolest city to spend time and relax. Take your time to exploring the city like visiting the museum and keep yourself relaxed in the canal boat cruise. We are also recommending to explore the Jordan area by riding in a bicycle where you can feel the comfortable pace along quiet canals and a glimpse of the wonderful city before night. At night, Amsterdam city is getting crowded for many bar opens along the street. In number 9 in our list here comes Tenerife. Tenerife is considered as the most famous island in the Canaries. For some people they don't know that Tenerife has plenty of beaches to relax and unwind yourself. It feels like homes at Tenerife. Tenerife has many to offer. If you are planning to have a family vacation, well, this place is good for you and for your families. Mom and dad can relax while leaving their children to play because their kids will have some whole day activities to keep them entertained. You can also try exploring the Tenerife active volcano, Mount Teide. In number 10 in our list here comes Budapest. Do you want to have more fun and relaxation? If yes, don't forget to add Budapest at your list. Budapest is the capital of Hungary. It also possesses a fairy tale view, thermal spas and magnificent food that includes the national dish of tasty goulash cooked with warming paprika. Also, the city's metro operation is easy to navigate and the locals are much welcoming. On a couple's vacation to Budapest, teens are highly advised to check out the ruined bars in the city. So these are the list of top 10 most relaxing destinations to visit around the world. So if you find this video interesting and helpful to you, do share with your friends and family, and must like this video, and please do subscribe to the channel for more interesting stuff like this. So see you guys in the next video. So till then, bye.